Welcome to WebHarvy Web Scraping Workshop. In this video, we will see how WebHarvy can be configured to extract data from Amazon. So what you see is the WebHarvy's user interface, which has an inbuilt browser. So we can directly go to the website and go to the page which displays the data which we need to extract. So in this example, we will do a search for mobile phones and we get a list of products. And we will now see how WebHarvy can be configured to extract details of each of these products from multiple pages, because you can see that there are multiple pages of listings. You can also follow each of these product links and get additional data by loading the details pages. So first up is to configure WebHarvy, where we teach WebHarvy what all data items which we need to extract. For that, click on the Start Configuration button. And now WebHarvy is in configuration mode. As I move the mouse, you can see that the elements are highlighted in yellow. And if you click on it, it will extract all similar items from the page. Now, first we can scroll down the page and click on the next button. And WebHarvy will show a capture window from which we can select the Set as Next Page Link option. So this teaches WebHarvy how to load all these subsequent pages of listings and scrape each of the data which we select during this configuration. Now let's scroll back up. Now what you have to take care here is that the first listing is a special listing which is highlighted by the Amazon's choice, and above that there can be one or many sponsored listings. So it is recommended you select data from the first normal listing, which is this. So otherwise what can happen is that data may not be correctly extracted from the subsequent pages. So let's click on the title of the first normal product, and we can select the Capture Text button and give it a name. And you can see that WebHarvy has automatically identified all the subsequent product names. We can now proceed by selecting the price, and we can also select the details page URL of the product. So now we can follow each of these products to get additional data. For that, click on the link and select the Follow this link option, and WebHarvy will load the details page of the product by following the link. Wait for it to load, and once it is loaded, you can continue selecting more data. So let's get the rating. Let's also try to get the product image. Now in this example, we are getting only the default image displayed. To know how to extract multiple product images automatically and how to get the high resolution of each of these images, there is another video in this channel. You can refer to that, or please contact us at support@webharvy.com. We usually reply within 24 hours. So moving down, we can select more details from this page using the capture following this text option. Now this is because the product details page of Amazon can vary from one product to another. So the location of the data which you need to extract might vary from one product to another. So in such cases, we can make use of the anchor text. Like for example, there is a heading product description which happens before the product description text. So instead of clicking directly on this product description text, let's click on this title and select the capture following text option, and then capture text. So this is the product description. So similarly, we can select all these data. Like for example, to get the ASIN, we click on the heading text instead of directly clicking on the ASIN value, and select capture following text, and then capture text. We can also get the item model number, the bestsellers rank, BSR, So now, assuming we have selected all required details, let's stop the configuration. Now this is just a preview. To actually mine the data, click on the Start Mine button. You can now also optionally save this configuration so that you can run it later. You can even schedule it, or you can even edit it to add or delete fields. So right now, let's click on the Start Mine Data. We can specify the number of pages to mine, or click on Mine All Pages. Click the Start button. WebHarvy will ask where to save downloaded images. If you click Cancel, image URLs will be downloaded instead of downloading the image file. So now WebHarvy is loading the first page for which we created the configuration. It's pulling the data which we configured, and now it will follow each of the product links to get additional details. And once it completes fetching all details of the first page listings, it will go to the second page of listings and repeat the same process. So we recommend that you download and try the free evaluation version of WebHarvy available in our website. If you have any questions, you can contact us at support@webharvy.com. We hope you find this video useful. Thank you.